channel. Since Christmas is coming, I've decided to do some step-by-step follow-along Christmas doodle tutorials. Today we're going to draw the Grinch. So take your art supplies out and let's draw. Take out your black marker and now we're going to draw the mouth. First, draw a flipped S. Now move your pen to the right and draw a normal S. Now find the middle point between those two S's. Now draw a line that connects the S to the point. The middle of the line should be curved down a bit. Now connect a line to the right as well. Let's give it a little chin. Draw 3 dots above the curved line in a triangle shape as the whiskers. Do that on both sides as well. Let's draw the nose. Move out from the center point and draw a small C. Go ahead and fill it in a bit. Draw a small straight line under it. Little curved line over it and the nose is done. Let's draw the eyes. The line is curved a bit like a hook. Draw a line like that on the other side as well. The hook should be facing outwards. Draw a line that connects from the inside of the hook to the end of the hook. On the other side as well. As for the pupil, it should look like a thin U. Same on the other side. Give both eyes some eyelashes. Add an extra line under both eyes as well. Now let's move on to the bushy eyebrows. The Grinch eyebrow should go through these 3 points. To have that bushy eye effect, make sure to move your pen up and down when going through the 3 points. Same thing on the other side. Let's draw the Grinch some wrinkles. Draw a dot over and in between the eyebrows. Now draw 2 narrow lines facing towards the dot. 2 shorter lines on top as well. Time for the hair. As for the hair, it's just curved line facing different directions. Some are in front and some at the back. Now let's draw the face shape. Draw 2 dots to mark the upper part of the head. And now from the hairline connected to those dots. Overlap the lines to make it look more like fur. Make the hair more furry as well. Now mark 2 dots next to the S's and there will be the cheeks. Now connect the upper head line to the cheeks. Make sure to make the lines look furry and curve it towards the chin. Do the same on the right. Go ahead and just add more fur. Now let's draw 2 lines for the neck. So draw a long line which will be the arm, and then the curve will be the hand, and now go ahead and draw some fingers. Make sure to draw the fingers thin and pointy at the end. The thumb will be peeking out at the side. Ta-da! You guys are doing great. Add a line to finish the arm, and now it's time to add some fur. Let's draw the 2 shoulders. Just crisscross lines for the fur on the neck. Add some narrow fur on the neck as well. As for both of the shoulders, just add some straight lines. Doesn't hurt to add some more extra fur. Take your green color pencil and color the Grinch on. Press your color pencils harder on the fur spots. Color the eyes yellow and you're done! I hope you guys enjoyed this video and had fun drawing the Grinch. I'm gonna make a few more of these videos, so comment down below what you want me to draw next. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel for more. Bye! See you guys next time!